Secrets of angel number 66. In numerology, every number presents a message or symbol to help guide people throughout their lives. Numbers may pop up from time to time as simple messages from the universe to assist people in making choices or to offer comfort and peace. An angel number is referred to as a repeated digit that a person sees on a daily basis without meaning to, and is considered a whispering from the universe. Every angel number has a positive and negative side to it, and the person who is experiencing the same number over and over should learn more about it so they can see how they can apply it to their lives. If a person experiences seeing 66 often in their lives, they may panic at first. Sixes are often associated with evil, dating back to the Bible. In numerology, however, an angel number 66 is a good thing. Angel number 66 actually represents love and compassion. It means a person is able to connect with others and recognize their needs. If people begin seeing sixes everywhere they go, odds are they have recently found or reconnected with a loved one, or have a person in mind that they want to get to know. Angel number 66 is also beneficial in the workplace and encourages a healthy focus on positive choices and change. Since a sixth sense is allotted to those who are experiencing this angel number, a person is better able to lift others up and help them on their own journeys throughout life. A person should be careful not to help others so much that they cannot help themselves, and should not lose sight of their choices when they are experiencing great passion. If a person with this angel number is not slightly guarded, they can be taken advantage of. Angel number 66 is a very powerful number in numerology. It is an angel number that tells a person they have the compassion and understanding to help others and experience true love. As long as a person cares for their own needs while assisting others, they will excel under this blessed digit.
To find out what secrets numerology has in store for you, click here to get your free instant and extremely accurate numerology reading. You will likely be amazed at what you find out. And for more numerology tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to click the subscription button right here so that you don't miss out on future videos.